Park the AMG in handicap and hop out this bitch like a zombie. If I put my Dior case down on the pedal, we be flying. If I told you what I made the other day, you say I'm lying. Niggas mad and broke, but I ain't never see these niggas trying. You can't do the shit I do, little nigga, you ain't verified. You ain't bigger in his face, boss, put up in the sky. I never trust a bitch again, I can never put this gas down and I can't tell you why. Walk into the bank like this my fucking house, I ain't shy. I told you about the shit your bitch do, you would probably cry. Tank full of 93, you still parked in bone dry. Only time you run phone crosses in your drains, nigga. Watch me hit the gas, I got me a little my ass tastes like vanilla.
If y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. YouTube, it's your boy Davo coming to y'all with another YouTube video, man. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and turn on post notifications, man. We still at the little resort. Not even a damn resort. What is this, man? Just a little getaway. Just a little getaway. We got the mini bikes out here, man. Got Boy Wonder. Stop It Boy. Just dropped his album and shit too. EP, man. Go get that shit. I'll put it right there. Go get his shit. Let these joints run for a little bit, man. We finna get on the mini bikes. Y'all know I got my baby out. Let me show y'all the view though. If you haven't seen the last video, go watch the last video, man. Look at the fucking view. Crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna be out here for like the next 2 days. Internet out here trash, so I might not even upload. I'm gonna try to upload though. I might go to this McDonald's that's like 15 minutes away. We in Rockford right now, which like shoot, it ain't far from the city. Probably like an hour 30. Switch on, bro. I should have brought my GoPro, but fuck it. Yeah. I would turn this around. So the kill switch, what though? Right here. Oh yeah, I ain't bad. Kill switch. Then this is a your choke. Well, so to start it, choke always start. All right, y'all. We need a little water break. I ain't even get to record, bro, but I'm finna record right now for y'all boys. Need a little juice break, little juicy juice break. Boy Wonder brought out the boots. Bro, I should have put on mine, but I'm put on my shit tomorrow. Put on my other fit tomorrow. No, probably today. Shit. Set this motherfucker right here. Jessica, it's Jessica, y'all. Really put it in the middle so it don't fall. Let me see you start that motherfucker up.
Like, if you see mine, bro, like me, look, see, I got a screw right there. Keontae don't got a screw right there. Right. That's why his engine's shaking, bro.
Yeah, his ass missing that screw in the back. Tasky, you missing that screw, bro. Oh, no, his is right there. Well, let me see, bro. Because it's one screw here is right there. Oh, yeah, it is two. It is two, bro. Missing that screw, Tasky. Boy trying to work on this motherfucker. Yeah, boy trying to work on this motherfucker for you, man. Yeah, though, this joint is crazy. Y'all just got to see these joints in person, bro. Because my camera's up in 0.5 right now, so it might look smaller than it is. Let me put up in 1 real quick. But these joints in person, bro, these joints is big, bro. I did not know that. We finna ride these joints for y'all, though, man. Make sure that y'all comment and like, man. Like the video right now, man. Like the video if you haven't checked. It's a whole bunch of Gordo. Let me see if I got this little amount in my trunk. Might try to put this joint on my head, y'all. Had to start this joint up because this is what y'all want to see for real. It's really what y'all want to see. Y'all don't come to see me. Y'all don't come to have fun and see Davo ride mini bikes. Y'all want to see this joint. Y'all gonna see it. I might do a POV in this video too. I know I just said we was gonna hop on these mugs for a minute, but
ready right now. Ready. Damn, I'm freaking. All right, y'all. So hopefully y'all like this view. It look decent, boy Wonder. Come on. Yeah, we in it now. Come on, y'all, because I've been procrastinating. I've been telling y'all. See, bro, this one feels so thorough. Oh, bro, I'm knowing. Howdy, partner. Howdy, partner. You want to keep on going or you want to turn around? You want to keep on going or you want to turn around? Oh, bro. Yeah, it's hella rocks, y'all, so we just go turn around. Probably go back to this little trail. Rock on, dude. Whoa! These things are gnarly. Nah, bro, take it off. Yeah, bro, take it off. These are some gnarly bikes. Oh! Oh! Oh!
You ain't even open it up and go fast.
Yeah.
Bro, it's...
All right, y'all, part two. All right. Hey, turned off. God damn. Let that motherfucker warm up.
That's all that you need to do.
Woo! Zooey mama! He leaving my ass. He leaving my ass. This bitch fast, folks. Damn. I ought to take this damn head mount off, bro, to have fun. Alright. Right here on the side. This motherfucker feel like that it's about to come off, bro. Alright, y'all, man. I'm gonna let y'all know when we back at the crib. I'm gonna have fun on this bitch. Me and Boy Wonder finna tweak on these motherfuckers, man. I just can't have fun, bro, because it feel like this is phone about to fall on my fucking head. I can't even talk, bro, but alright, y'all. Shit. You say he acting bad. Let me hop on real quick. Don't even turn it off. Try to get me. You wanna ride that joint, bro? Ride it.